Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video, I would like to debate or podcast about the school uniform mandatory. Okay, so for the first, okay, next slide. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, so for the first question, do you like school uniform? Yes, because if we use uniform, we will like to be a net, something like rapi. Okay, so for the next question, okay,
Should schools uniforms be mandatory? The answer is yes. They should because they create equality. Okay. Next question.
okay, next question. Okay, why do school have uniform? Okay, so the question is why school have uniform, because if we use uniform in school, maybe we will like have a different in all people or all student in another school. So like if you use the uniform IDN like PDL or batik and OSIS, maybe you will like different. So maybe the people like you like the people in village, maybe you will see you like, oh, this is student IDN, oh, this is people at IDN. So okay, like that. Okay, next.
Do uniforms reduce bullying? Yeah, actually, yes, they can reduce bullying based on clothing. But to make sure to stop the bullying, you must do some action, not only from the clothes. Maybe you can talk to your teacher, to your mother, or you can help your friend who get bullied by someone. Yeah, okay, that's it.
Next. Okay. So for the fifth question is, do uniform help studies focus on learning? Okay, so for why you use uniform for like focus on learning, like this question is like about wait. Okay, so why? Because if you use uniform for focus and learning in class, maybe it will make you like something like, yeah, you will be like a good student, not like a bad student maybe. And we can say like student like bullying. So if you use uniform in class for focus on learning, it will be good for teacher see you like, oh, you the student, the good proper, like the cap, there is ID card, use belt, and the uniform not something like berantakan. Okay, next.
Yeah. Next question.
Okay.
Can student express themselves while wearing uniforms?
Okay.
While wearing uniforms, you not really looks like sad boy, or maybe looks like a proper student. No, you can express yourself by talents or behavior and your achievement. So maybe if it's like you are a programmer but you wearing what uniform, yeah, but you can express it by your achievement, by your talents, like you can programming in the school, and yeah, and the behavior too.
Okay.
Go to the
Next.
question.
Okay. For the next question, are school uniform expensive? Okay. So with this question, our school uniform is expensive. Maybe there's some others uniform is expensive, and we can say it's something like murah. So but if you buy something like the uniform is expensive, you must save it, but you must save it, not break it. Why? Because if you then buy, your parent then buy the for you uniform, and you destroy it, or you can say break it, something like merusak like that, broke, your parent will like maybe sad. So you must save it like this question. Why expensive? No, not all, but uniform is for the rules in the school. Okay, next
Right.
eighth question.
Yeah. Do uniforms make students equal? Actually, yes. Because everyone wears the same clothes. If someone wears different clothes, they may be looks different or not equal. Look, example, a good student wearing the school uniforms and a bad student not wearing uniform, or maybe they choose the wrong uniform clothes. You can see what's different of the student, of the bad student and the good student. Yeah, so the uniform actually can make you look like a student or maybe like a good student. So use it properly, serve your uniform properly.
Okay, next ninth question. What is one advantage school uniform? Okay, so what they okay, so for this answer for this question is can they improve discipline. So why advanced schools uniform? So like maybe there is Monday and until Friday and the uniform will different. Like you in IDN the Monday use OSIS set and the Tuesday use OSIS set again, and in Wednesday use batik and like uniform like that and the black pants. So in Thursday like use PDL and the black pants too, and the last Friday use like this we use like jubah. Okay, so this is can make student discipline, because if you were wearing some uniform different maybe can make you discipline, because what if you go in like maybe we can say in this IDN there is mobbing spirit, and if we use the different uniform maybe we will get like punishment. You will talk in front of student and maybe the teacher, like you talk about like maybe just speech 3 minutes or 2 minutes, and after that maybe if you not speech maybe you will read some sentence or text like about English, and the all student will repeat after you like that. So for this question it can make you discipline for you go to school. Okay, maybe just that. Okay, next.
So the last question of this video is, would you support mandatory school uniforms and why? So for myself, yeah, I would. Yes, I would, because the uniform helps students feel equal, disciplined, and focused on learning. But from you guys who watching this video, maybe you can support or maybe you can't support, because yeah, it's up to you. But if the school with freedom, like they don't need to wearing a school uniform, or maybe they let that student to be free what they want to do, it actually can help them to do what they want. But for now, maybe many school using must focus to student to use a uniform. That's actually normal. Yeah, because student must focus on learning, because if they wear the different clothes, maybe they can get disturbed by the friend, because they maybe different wearing the different clothes, and we could feel equal, so we not lose like by poor or maybe rich, because we are same from wearing the clothes. Yeah, and about discipline, it make the school look disciplined, and more parents will make their kids to go to the school because it looks like discipline. So the parent maybe wants to their kid to the school because they want their kid to discipline. Yeah, maybe that's all.
Okay, so maybe we will give some conclusion about So school uniform mandatory. Okay. So I will give for the first conclusion. Okay. So for the conclusion is about school uniform mandatory is because why we use uniform. It's like can make you discipline with use uniform and can make you different in all people like you different like something different in your uniform or in your shirt like maybe we can say like clothing. Okay, so if you use uniform maybe like you is the community in the school like you use PDL IDN in this like in IG you will see like the student IDN use PDL if he go out that's like the student use for the discipline like it can make you see oh this is the student at IDN. Okay, so if you not use proper to in IDN you will improve your discipline like you will use belts, you will use proper like there is shock. If you not use shock maybe not use shocks like something like kaos kaki, okay we can say will not proper like that. So we can say maybe the bad student not a good student. Okay, so yeah maybe just that. Okay, you will give maybe conclusion.
Okay. So the conclusion, the conclusion, I believe school uniforms should be mandatory because they create equality, improve discipline, and help students their only. Because if one school were not broken like the facilities, the uniform, and others, they make the school looks bad on people's eyes. Yeah. So maybe the uniform the conclusion the uniform make student more disciplined and he looks disciplined by another people. Yeah. Just like
Okay, maybe that's from us as make video this, and if I have a mistake if we us have a mistake we apologize, and if I have a good speech or good speak or good speak English, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.